If you've got a Galaxy S25 Ultra or Plus, turning on the theft detection lock might come handy in case it's lost or stolen from you, God forbid. It's not just enabling one toggle. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to fully enable the theft protection option to lock your S25 Ultra. Alright guys, so for that, first open up settings, scroll down for security and privacy. As you can see, the first option is lock screen. It's better from this section if you set at least a PIN or password or pattern for a lock screen. After that, go back to security and privacy and enter lost device protection, and then to theft protection. Alright guys, so first of all, we're going to turn on theft protection from here. Now the thing is, let's say you're using the device, if it detects any sudden movement, it'll automatically lock the screen. So just go ahead, tap on turn on. After that, you can turn on offline device lock. So guys, if you turn it on, if someone stole it from you and disable Wi-Fi to prevent location tracking, your device will auto lock itself. So just go ahead and turn it on. After that, go ahead, open up remote lock, and if you turn it on, you can remotely lock your device from another device if it's snatched away from you. We have a detailed video about using remote lock. If you want, you can check it out. Lastly, in identity check, it's recommended to sign into your Samsung account, add your fingerprints along with your lock screen, and also you can set up and add safe places by turning on location and using your home or work or any safe place that you want, and add that to this list. And after that, just tap on turn on. And these are all the ways that you can enable theft protection on your Galaxy S25 Ultra or Plus. Thanks for watching.